Hey guys, it's Jeff from Tinker Forward, and in today's video I want to show you the Propel Zipp Nano 2.0 drone. I'm excited to tell you about it, so let's roll that intro and jump right in. Hey everyone, thanks so much for checking out this video. On this channel we do different tech, toy, and gadget reviews, so please consider subscribing. Today we are checking out this really cool, really small Propel Quadcopter drone. A fun little toy, not quite as big and not quite as expensive as some of the other drones that are out there. So let's take a closer look. The popularity of drones has skyrocketed recently, and this is the first drone that I've gotten to fly. Its packaging recommends its use for beginners to intermediates and for ages 12 and up. For someone like myself who's new to flying drones, this is a very affordable drone to experiment with and to learn how to fly. I love the red and silver colors of the drone and the flashing LED lights. The drone also has color-coded propellers so that you can quickly tell the front from the back. There are black plastic guardrails around the propellers that can be snapped off and removed, but keeping the guards on helps shield the drone if you bump into other objects. The drone comes with this remote, which is very similar to a remote that you might use to control a small RC car. The remote consists of 2 joysticks and runs on 6 AA batteries. My dad helped me out with filming this drone review video, and he does a great job explaining how to get the remote connected to the drone quickly and easily.
Start by turning it on, pushing the center button. It'll activate the control. To get it actually activated and connected to the drone itself, you need to go up and down, and now it's connected to the drone. The first thing you need to do is calibrate, which connects the controller to the drone. So you push the calibrate button, and then to start and land, you would push the start and land button. When it lands, it automatically shuts itself off. As a beginner, you want to set it to its lowest setting, which is basically this T setting. There are 2 channels, 3 and 4, so again, as a beginner, you want to hit channel 3, and now you're set to go.
Flying the drone definitely gets easier with practice. The drone has an air pressure sensor that locks the flight altitude to stabilize it very quickly. It's just as much fun to watch as it is to control, and practicing maneuvers helps you get a feel for the remote. We flew it around inside and practiced steering around furniture and wall corners, and it handled very well. The drone also has a stunt push button to do 360-degree stunt rolls, which we didn't have room for, unfortunately, inside. So this drone does not include a camera, and I'm sure that's one of the reasons why it's available at such an affordable price. The price is so convenient that even my daughter could afford one of these after just 1 or 2 babysitting jobs.
I can't wait to buy that new drone!
Overall, it's amazingly small, lightweight, and easy to take with you on the road. For our filming day, we flew the drone around inside, but you can also take it outside and fly it as well. The packaging indicates that it has a flight range of up to 200 feet. If you're interested in getting into drones and want a great, inexpensive starter unit to test the waters, the Propel Zipp Nano 2.0 drone is great and comes in right around $30. I'll put all the drone info in the YouTube description down below this video. So when the drone is running, the blades spin very fast. You want to make sure you keep your fingers away from the spinning blades. so that you don't hurt yourself. And so the quadcopter gets about a 5 to 7 minute flight time. And then when you're done, charging it back up takes anywhere from 20 minutes to a half hour. It comes with this USB charging cable, and it has a special sticker on it here saying only use this charging cord with a computer USB port, not a regular wall outlet USB charging port, because you can damage the battery inside the flying drone if you hook this up to a wall outlet versus the lower voltage coming from charging it from a computer. So that's going to do it for our review of the Propel Quadcopter drone. Hey, if you liked this video, please consider subscribing. Go ahead and hit that little bell notification icon and you'll get notified as we release new videos. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you soon.